All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, to a very cool song here. It's the Carpetman. Yes, it's a Carpetman. And what does it mean to you? Let's take a look at this song. That's actually the theme of the song and the title. So let's look into this one with capo set on the 7th fret. And I can't just imagine how cool it will be to be covered in this carpet. Yeah, like an action hero, Carpetman. Let's go into this one. 3 chords. We have the E minor, we have the B minor 7, and the A minor 7. All right, so E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The B minor 7. It's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And then we have the A minor 7, and that will be to play open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That is the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. Now, we have this cool melody going on there. And then we're going to look into the strumming later. So the melody, chord by chord, starting now with E minor. E minor goes like this. Okay, so you basically roll down the chord. You're going to play open E string, then 2nd D, open G, open B, and then open high E. If you want, you can play more than just the open high E. You can make one short downstroke. You don't want to get all the strings there. You really want the higher strings down there. Perhaps the G, but the B and the E string are important strings, especially the E, since you have the note there. So once you play that, try to mute it and kill the sound. I do it in the way that I lean my little pinky on top of the strings and adjust. Once I played it, I lay my finger on top of it and I mute it in that way. So that is E minor. It doesn't hurt if you play the open E string as it is, just a string, and let it ring out as well. Okay, these are just small details to get it really neat. But anyway, practice slow and practice as easy as possible and then work your way up. Okay, that's the E minor part. Into the B minor. You're gonna hold the chord as it is and play basically 2 downs. The first down is to try to play in the mid area here of the strings. And if you can, play all the way down till the B string. That note is highly prominent in the first down, the 3rd fret B string. You're holding that one with the chord. So you're gonna play the mid strings, and if you can get the B string as well, that's great. Remember, the last string you're playing, that note will be the note that is more prominent than the other ones. Okay, that's the first down. And the last down, you really want to get the higher strings down there because that note you're playing with the bar finger is important here. And play really all the way down here. But you don't have to play a full downstroke, just again, the last strings there, G, B, and E string. So basically 2 downs. And if you can, mute that last down as well. That's the B minor part, and then you have the A minor left. It goes like this. So that is roll down the chord. You're gonna play open A string, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and then open high E. Again, that E, you could replace that with a short down, like this, okay? It's marked out like this, so. And then you're gonna get back to the first B. So that is the first part of it. Or just pick the open E string. Then you have a longer pause, and right before you start the next round with E minor, you're gonna hit the first B string again. So, and then. So you play the A minor, long pause, and then E minor. Okay? So that is one round. One round goes like this. Round. All right, so you play like this from the beginning till the very end. If you want to, you can also combine this with strumming, and I just made this very easy. Why? Because we have to switch chords with right timing. So with that, go into the E minor again and play like this. One round only. Down, down, up, clap. That's one string round. Then you switch to B minor and play 1 as well. And then you go to A minor and play 2. And again. Play with it, all right? You know the notes, you have the strumming, you can build up this to your own thing going on there, but that is how you handle Carpetman's. What does it mean to you? I hope my work means a lot for you guys. I really do. I work a lot to satisfy you with songs you want and you wish for. We have Wish Wednesdays as well, so make sure you write comments and perhaps it's your song on Wednesday. But for this now, I hope you enjoyed this specific tutorial. If you did, feel free to support me, and till next time, play tuned.